Hello everyone, let's continue number 3. A sample of iron trioxide has a mass of 50 grams but contains by only 80% of pure iron trioxide. So it's a 80% and it has a 50 grams. What is the mass of pure iron trioxide in the 50 gram sample? So it has an 80% and there is no inert. So all you need to do is you need to calculate the grams pure of iron trioxide. So let's begin. Uh, Grams of pure iron trioxide equals you have a 50 grams, right? 50 grams. So 50 grams of iron trioxide times the percent, which is 80. 80 converted to divide by 100, which is 0.80. So multiply by 0.80. So equals 50 times 0.80 is equals to 40 grams of pure iron trioxide. So that is the final answer. There's a number 3, right? And number 4, zinc chloride. Zinc chloride is produced by reaction of hydrochloric acid with zinc if 40 grams of HCl solution containing a 65% of water reacts with an excess of zinc. How much zinc chloride will be produced? So first thing we need to do is you need to make a chemical reaction again from zinc to HCl. So number 4, zinc chloride, a zinc metal plus hydrochloric acid reacts to zinc chloride gas plus hydrogen gas, and you put the balance, which is 2, and they have a 40 grams and 65% of water. So you need to calculate zinc chloride. Okay, how much zinc chloride will be produced? So mass of zinc chloride is equals to, they have a 40 grams of HCl. Okay, 40 grams of HCl. So 40 grams of HCl so you need 40 grams times 0.350 grams of HCl, and then times the molar mass of HCl, which is 36.5 grams per mole. So 36.5 divided by 36.5 grams of HCl, and then 1 mole of HCl, and then the ratio is 2 moles of HCl here in the reaction. So 2 moles of HCl, and then 1 mole of zinc chloride, and then times there is How about the formula mass of zinc chloride? Zinc chloride formula mass, which is 136 grams per mole of zinc chloride. So you need to times secondary ratio, so 1 mole of zinc chloride and multiply by 136 gram of zinc chloride. So you need to cancel by h grams, cancel this, and cancel the mole, cancel the mole of zinc chloride, and then the left is grams. So 40 times 0.350 times the molecular weight 36.5 times 1/2 times 136 grams of zinc chloride. So the answer is 26.1. So 26.1 grams of zinc chloride. So that is the final answer. Okay? Did you get it? Let's continue in number 5. Right, number 5. Number 5, we have calculate the grams of oxygen gas produced if 250 grams of potassium chlorate are decomposed completely by heating. So we need to decompose the reaction of potassium chlorate. Yes, continue. This is number 5. So potassium chlorate reacts to, you need to break the compounds of potassium chloride plus oxygen gas, and you need to balance. So 2 moles of potassium chlorate and 3 moles of oxygen gas and 2 moles of potassium chloride. So calculate the grams of oxygen gas produced with 250 grams of potassium chlorate. So we need to calculate the oxygen gas. There is a given a 2.50 grams of potassium chlorate. Okay. And we need to calculate the mass of oxygen gas. So mass of oxygen gas is equals to the molar mass of oxygen gas is equals to 2 times 16, which is 32 grams per mole of oxygen gas. So let's begin. So 2.5 grams of potassium chlorate times the molar mass of potassium chlorate. The molar mass of potassium chlorate, formula mass, which is 123 grams per mole. So divided by 123 grams of potassium chlorate times 1 mole of potassium chlorate times 2 moles of potassium chlorate, this is here, 2 moles, divided by 2 moles of potassium chlorate times 1 mole of 3 moles of oxygen gas. So 3 moles of oxygen gas times the molecular weight of oxygen, which is 32 here. So 1 mole of oxygen gas and 32 grams of oxygen gas. So you need to cancel out the grams and the moles, and then cancel out moles too, and the left is grams. So 2.5 2.5 divided by 123 grams of potassium chlorate times 3 divided by 2 times 32 grams of oxygen gas, which is 0.9756 grams of oxygen gas. That is the final answer. So, comment if you don't understand. I hope you understand. So, please like and subscribe.